Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the output devices. First we have to learn about the what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device which manipulates information or data. Computer has the ability to store, retrieve and process the data. And computer is used to type the documents, send emails, play the games and browsing the web, etc., etc., many things. We can also use the computer to edit or create the spreadsheets, presentations and even videos also. And computer can process the numericals as well as the non-numerical calculations, and many purposes we can use the computers. The term computer is derived from the Latin word computere, which means to calculate, and it is designed to execute applications pro- and provides a variety of solutions through the integrated hardware and software components. That means with the help of different hardware and software components we can interact with the computer, or we can execute the applications. And it has the memory which is used to store the data, programs and result of the processing. The components related to the computer, that is the machinery, which includes wires, transistors, circuits are called the hardware, or hard disk also included in the hardware. The programs and the data are called the software. The analytical engine was the first computer invented by the Charles Babbage in 1837. So we call that Charles Babbage is the father of the computer. And the first analytical engine, the first computer uses the punch cards as the read only memory. In this video, we will learn about the output devices. First, we have to know about the what is the input device and what is the output device. The input device is used to send information to the computer for the processing, and output devices reproduces or displays the results of that processed information. The input devices are used to give the input to the computer system, and with the help of these input devices we can interact with the computer. The examples are the keyboard and mouse are the input devices, and the keyboard and mouse are the most important input devices. Without these we cannot interact with the computer. And the output devices which are used to give the final result to the user, which is given by the computer processors. The examples are standard output devices are the printer, monitor, printer and speakers, etc. Monitor is the main output device of the computer, so we call the monitor as the standard output device. These are the different output devices, that is the webcam, microphone, printer, headers and monitor, speakers and many more we have. We will learn about all these things in detail. Different output devices are the monitor, printer, speakers, webcams and headphones. Monitor, we call the monitor as the standard output device. This is the one of the example of the monitor, this which belongs to the Dell monitor. This is the LED monitor. At first we use the CRT monitor, and after that we refer the video display terminals, VDTs and VDUs. And thus monitors, now the computer monitors are using the flat panel displays, and usually we call that as the LEDs. And these are used to display the icons, text, images over the screen. Okay, the device which is used to display all these things. For example, this is the one of the device used as the monitor. And we can, when computer performs an action, the result of that action is displayed on this monitor. And we have many types of monitors developed over the years, and these are also termed as referred as a video display terminal and VDU, video display unit. The first computer monitors are the monitors which are comprised of the CRT, cathode ray tubes, and fluorescent screens. Today, all the monitors using the flat panel display technology. Usually, these are called the LED, light emitting diodes. Next is the printer. Printer is also the important output device, and a monitor is used to display the soft copies of the processed data, and a printer is used to display the hard copies of the data. This is the external hardware output device which makes a copy of the pictorial or textual content, usually over a paper, called the printer. Means that we can feel, that means we can hard copy of the text or image can be displayed with the help of these printers. It takes the electronic data stored on the computer or the other device and generates the hard copy. And we have many types of printers available in the market, which can serve different purposes. Every printer can have its own purpose. The most common printers are the inkjet and laserjet printer. In the olden days, they are used the dot matrix printers. The laserjet printers prints using the laser displayed over the page and displays. Inkjet printers generally are the color printers. These displays the inkjet, and the generally and very best printers are the laserjet. But in the laserjet, we cannot print the colors, but in the inkjet we can print the colors. And the another output device is the speakers. This is the one of the another output hardware device which connects computer to generate the sound. Okay, the signals used to produce the sound which comes from the computer speaker is created by the computer sound card. With the help of sound card, the sound is produces from the speakers, and the speakers are attached with the computer system. And with the nowadays we are using the advancement technology. These speakers are nowadays available with wireless or connected using the Bluetooth or any other application. In the olden days, we need to connect those speakers with the computer, but nowadays we are using the wireless and Bluetooth speakers and applications. And the speakers can also be used as the output devices which produces the sound from the computer. And another output device is the projector. This is the one of the optical output device which presents an image or the moving images onto the projection screen called the projector. Okay, which projects the images and moving images on the screen, so we call that as the projector. And most commonly these projectors are used to display the to pictures or movies or like anything in on the auditoriums and movie theaters for display of the videos or lighterings. If the projector is connected to the computer, then the image displayed on the screen is the same as one displayed on the computer screen. Okay, this is the projector, another type of the output device. And next is the headphones. Another output device is the headphones, which are also the hardware output devices which either plug into the computer line out or speakers. Okay, which performs the same function as the speakers. The only difference is in the frequency of the sound. Speakers sound can be heard over the large area, and using the headphones the sound is only audible to the person. Only a single person can be audible the sound personally, but the speakers use it to hear over the large area. And these are also known as the earphones and headsets. And these are headphones come in different several shapes and different styles, depends on the company they are making. And input output devices, the devices which act as the input as well as the output. Some of the devices which act as the input as well as the output devices. Input devices which are used to send the data to the input, as well as send the data to the another device, that is the output. For example, CD read write and DVD read write drives are the both act as the input as well as the output. These receives data from the computer, that is from the input, and also copy onto the writable CD or DVD. And also the driver sends the data contained on the CD or DVD to the computer. But that means when we have the data in the CD read writable or DVD read writable, we can copy the data from the DVD or CD to the computer. That then that is act as the input. When we are writing the some data into the CDs, we are called that as the output. And USB flash drives also receives and saves data from the computer, that is called the input. Also these flash drives also send data to computer, that is the another device, to the output. This is act as the output. So in this situation, in these both are the input and as well as the output devices. And thank you one and all.